Huawei's just announced intentions to bring the Mate 10 Pro to the US. Fast on its heels is the Mate 10 Porsche design, set to be released in mid-February. The Porsche Design Huawei Mate 10 revs up specs a bit while adding some class and a whole lot of price at $1,225. In terms of specs, the key upgrade found on the Porsche Design Mate 10 is the bump up to 256GB of onboard storage, versus 64 or 128 on the Mate 10 Pro. That aside, the two phones share the same 6-inch 18:9 OLED display, the lauded Kirin 970 flagship chipset, 12-megapixel dual cameras, and 4,000 mAh built-in battery. But of course, the two phones differ aesthetically. The Mate 10 Porsche design comes in a new color named Diamond Black and features Porsche Design branding. You also get a premium leather case in the set, while the interface has been spiced up with some new themes. While checking out Huawei's luxury handset, we also came across the Porsche Design Huawei smartwatch. The pricey wearable shows some resemblance to the Huawei Watch 2, but comes with a more streamlined ceramic bezel and diamond-like carbon finish. You also get a hybrid band made of leather and rubber. But will these high-priced Porsche-inspired luxury devices find homes with wanting consumers? I'm Corey Gaskin with PhoneArena. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out PhoneArena.com for more coverage of CES 2018.